Hello everyone, welcome to Saze Maths. In today's video, we are solving 4 minus 2 square times 4 minus 2 in parentheses. We have subtraction here, we have multiplication here, and we have subtraction here. Also, we have parentheses and we have exponent. Now that we have different operations, this tells us that we have to follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. Using this PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, which means bracket. So we're going to solve the one in bracket first before we solve the E, which stands for exponent, something like 2 square. And then we solve the multiplication. M stands for multiplication and this stands for division. Work from left to right. Finally, we solve addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. We work from left to right. Let's apply the rules. 4 minus 2 will give us 2. So we have 4 minus 2 square times 2. Exponent. 2 square will give us 4. That is 2 square is equal to 2 times 2, and that will give us 4. Alright? Now we write this 4 here, and then instead of this 4 we are going to write, instead of this 2 square we write 4 times 2, and the next is multiplication. 4 times 2 will give us 8. 4 times 2 equal to 8. So we are going to replace this by 8. So we have 4 minus 8, and then 4 minus 8 will give us negative 4. That is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel.